When I used to work at ARB in retail sales in the early 1990s, one of the most common questions I'd get asked is how come you can buy a household fridge for less than a portable car fridge? Well, imagine trying to do this with your home fridge. So as you can see, a portable fridge is exactly that. It's something that's equally at home in the back of your four-wheel drive, your camper trailer, your boat, your campsite, or just around the home. All of ARB's fridges are designed in-house and enjoy design characteristics that make them really well suited for use in punishing off-road environments. If you're after the toughest model available, then the 60-litre Elements fridge is the go-to choice. Its stainless steel construction, aluminium latches, UV-resistant trim, and protected electrical connections make it well suited to the back of a ute in any weather conditions. For the budget conscious, our tried and proven Classic series is available in a range of sizes starting at 35 litres through to a 78 litre model. ARB's most recent addition to its fridge lineup is the Zero range, and this is where you'll find our biggest selection of models with sizes varying from 36 litres to a whopping 96 litres. All of ARB's fridges can operate as a fridge or a freezer. In the case of the Zero range, you can even opt for a dual zone models that'll do both at the same time. Temperature settings can be adjusted on the control panel. Alternatively, you can download an app and use the phone to control and monitor performance. What makes ARB fridges so versatile is their ability to run on a wide selection of power sources. In the back of a four-wheel drive, the fridge can connect to a 12-volt power source that will ideally come from an auxiliary battery system, which is separated from the main battery via a controller. This will ensure both batteries receive charge when the engine is running, but are separated when the ignition is turned off. Whilst the fridge can run off a standard cigarette lighter plug, ARB's heavy-duty wiring kit will ensure you get optimum performance out of the fridge, and the screw-in socket eliminates the likelihood of the plug falling out on rough roads. ARB offers a range of dual battery options available for most four-wheel drives with superbly engineered mounting systems and a range of charging accessories from Red Arc, including solar panels. When transferring the fridge to a boat, you have a few options. Vessels like this one run a 24-volt setup to power the trolling motor, and your ARB fridge can run off this system. Alternatively, it can get power off the 12-volt system that supplies the outboard and electronics. You can alternate between the two depending on power supply levels, and the fridge will automatically switch between voltages. When you want to run the fridge at home, it's just a case of plugging it into a main socket and the fridge will automatically detect the 240-volt power source. Of course, this means it makes a great bar fridge out on the deck. It also means that when packing to go away, you can switch your fridge on and load it while running off mains power. Even if the fridge is plugged into your car, it'll recognise and prioritise to the 240-volt power source. So the initial current load required to bring the fridge down to temperature can come from mains power rather than from your car battery. With improvements in battery technology, it's now possible to remove your ARB fridge from a fixed power source and run it off a lithium power pack. This is great if you want to throw the fridge into another vehicle that might not have an accessory power supply to head out and buy groceries. It also means that when you're out camping, you can get the fridge out of the car and into a shady spot right next to your kitchen setup. I mentioned before that ARB fridges are built to head off-road, and a great example of this is the robust tie-down systems that are available to secure them in the back of your vehicle. Whilst you can just strap them down in the back of your four-wheel drive, placing the fridge on a drawer system or fridge slide provides an optimum level of security and ease of access. Whilst we use plastic on the lids and mouldings of ARB fridges, all models feature metal cabinets for the ultimate endurability. They really don't need any additional protection, but a transit cover will prevent knocks and scratches, and the added insulation can deliver even better efficiency. There's a lot of portable car fridges on the market these days. When you buy one, just make sure it's properly engineered to suit the environment you're planning on taking your four-wheel drive into. Have it securely mounted in your vehicle and get it wired up for optimum performance. It'll be one of the best things you ever buy for your off-road adventures. Cheers.